Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on your phone, providing a full guide for both Android and iOS users. Gemini, Google's powerful AI assistant, can enhance your mobile experience significantly. We will cover the specific steps for each operating system, ensuring you can easily integrate this advanced technology into your daily routine. Whether you are an Android enthusiast or an iPhone loyalist, you will find clear instructions to get Gemini up and running smoothly on your device in just a few moments. For Android users, getting Gemini is straightforward, as it integrates directly with your existing Google Assistant. First, open the Google Assistant app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the settings and look for the option to switch to Gemini. You will typically find this under Digital Assistants or a similar category. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the setup, making Gemini your primary AI. This process usually takes less than 2 minutes to finish. If you are an iOS user, you will access Gemini through its dedicated application. Begin by downloading the official Gemini app directly from the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Google account credentials. This step is crucial for activating all of Gemini's powerful features. You will then be prompted to grant necessary permissions, such as access to your microphone or notifications, to ensure full functionality on your iPhone. The entire setup should take about 3 minutes. To ensure the best experience with Gemini, there are a few key requirements and best practices to follow. Your phone should have at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance and smooth operation. Always keep your operating system updated to the latest version to maintain compatibility and security. Furthermore, a stable and reliable internet connection is absolutely crucial, as Gemini relies heavily on cloud-based processing for its advanced features. Following these tips will help you maximize Gemini's potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.